Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage, and for today's video we got some parts and we're going to go over them and we're going to check them out. We did not unwrap them yet. I think all of them came for this for the GTO, so.
Alright guys, so the day has finally come. The parts finally arrived. It took way longer than expected to get them, but they're here. But what shape are they in? We're not sure yet. We're going to find out. We're gonna unwrap all this. There's a bunch of bubble wrap, so it looks like they tried to keep it from getting damaged. But we're gonna open it up right now, and you guys will see with us together how good the parts are and if there's any extra damages on them. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so most of the parts look pretty good. The main part is this core support. It looks like it's intact, it's not damaged. The hood and the bumper we still gotta unwrap to see if it's got any damage. The radiator is wrong. It's for an automatic car. Ours is a manual, so we'll see if we can still try to make it work. Maybe plug up the holes for where the tranny fluid goes, so we'll see with that. And yeah, so far everything looks good, so we'll see if the hood's in good shape, and if the bumper's in good shape, then yeah, this was a good deal on all these parts. Alright guys, so in the last video I was repairing the bumper, the original bumper that came from this car, but I did end up ordering a new bumper, well, a used bumper. I got a pretty good deal on it, and I needed all the grills, all the inserts anyways, and it was cost effective to just buy the whole bumper instead of trying to buy every single piece individually. So we're gonna unwrap this one. This one's in pristine condition. All we gotta do is maybe, you know, sand it down, re-clear it or something. Then we're probably just gonna go with this one, and then I'll just still end up just fixing it all the way, and then I'll just probably just try to sell it just to get some money back from the parts that I bought from this guy. So let's open it up and see what shape the bumper's in. Alright guys, so the bumper's in pretty good shape. It's got small imperfections. We're still gonna have to repaint it, but that's fine, because we gotta do repairs on the fenders. So we're gonna have to paint those, and we might as well just blend the bumper to the fenders. We don't know what the hood looks like. If the hood's in perfect shape, we might don't have to paint the hood. That would be cool, but if we have to paint it, that's fine. So yeah, the bumper's in good shape. We're gonna use this bumper on the build. The other bumper, we'll just go for resale. Somebody else out there would want it. It's still a really usable bumper, and they're not cheap. So this one got everything we need. It's got the grills, got the emblem, it's got the slower grill, the fog lights, the side markers, the license plate bracket. Came with the wiring. So this one we could just slap on the car and be good to go. Yeah, so the underneath of the hood looks pretty good. Now we're gonna flip it over and see what the other side looks like. All right, so the hood's in pretty good shape too. No big dents, nothing like that. There's a little bit of rock chips on the front. And then, looks like someone decided to key it. Got a little carried away with their designs on here. So we're gonna have to paint the hood too, which is no big deal. At least we don't have to paint the underside. All we gotta do is just sand down this top, repaint it, and it's gonna look perfect. So overall with the parts, we're really happy. Everything came as expected, no surprises. And hopefully this build, this was holding it up. So now it's just a matter of getting the framework done, getting the core support on there, get everything put together, and this car should be ready to go in no time.
So just got the hood replaced with the old one. There we go.
This. Golden nut that sprays out.
If it does, I'll get it on video.
All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. We're really excited. So all the parts came in. The only thing we're gonna need are a couple of hoses for the radiator and then also the headlights. So that's the only parts that didn't come with this whole unit that we bought. And so for the next video, we're gonna do the framework. Hopefully get everything aligned, everything perfect. And then the car will be ready for paint. And then also, guys, let us know what kind of headlights we should go with. OEM factory ones are super expensive, so we're probably not going to go with those. We're thinking about going with some aftermarket ones. I've seen some on eBay. They're going for like $200. They look really good. So comment below on what headlights we should do, and then also let us know where to find them when you guys comment. So on this video, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and catch us on the next video, guys.